Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm a little sick. I got a cold going, so that's why my voice is a little different. What we got here today is the Deadpool belt buckle. It's a resin cast made by Raptor Props. This is the whole complete makeover of the belt buckle. This is a Deadpool 2 belt buckle, and before anything, you have to just mask it before you paint it, so while you painting it you don't have to worry about spray painting or brushing the wrong parts of the belt buckle. I'm actually gonna use an airbrush, and that's why I'm trying to do it with a little bit of masking tape. The masking tape is the best because once you stick it in there, it's very easy to take it off, and if you take it off, it's not gonna take any paint or anything else away. It sticks, but not too much. That's how the finish of the masking of the belt buckle looks. We're gonna paint that part black, metal black. It's a resin cold cast, it's called, so you just scrub it a little bit and it's gonna shine. We're gonna mix the metal black paint with a little thinner acrylic thinner, so it flows better in the airbrush. If not, it gets clogged very easy. I just do it in an external bottle. Some people do it in the airbrush, but I kind of don't like it. It's easier to mix it outside and just pour it in there, even though you waste a little bit of paint. I'm using a .05 millimeter or .5 millimeter tip airbrush, and then you just go at it. But sadly, this was the first time I ever airbrushed anything, so it didn't come out as good as I wanted to. Because it's a cold cast belt buckle, I will say just go very light, water it down a lot. Actually, I make it look see-through, so you just give it a light coat. Don't go too many times. That was the issue I had. I went over it too many times, so it kind of covered the shine that is supposed to look like metal. But for the next one, and that's what I'm gonna do. After that, the other part that goes on top of it, it's transparent red, and I had to use the airbrush thinner, so it's more water-like. You're supposed to give it that texture of milk, so it can flow better through the airbrush. And I did the same mistake. I put too much into it, and I should have just go very light into it and just one coat. I didn't have to go over it with a couple coats. That was my mistake. I didn't know, but now I know. I have to do another couple belt buckles. I actually purchased another one that I got a video coming on, a metal one and a resin. So I'm gonna compare it and do all that stuff for you guys. So that's how it looks. Try to just go quick at it, let it dry, and if you're gonna go over it again, go over it after it's fully dry. If not, you're gonna mess up the paint and it's gonna have a weird texture. Like you can see here, problem, I didn't let it fully dry, so when I went with the second coat, I went too close to it, so the airbrush kind of pushed the paint that wasn't dry, and it gave it a little bit of texture that I didn't like. After in this step, I just gotta glue the red part to the black part of the belt buckle, and that's it. I use Loctite because it's a very strong glue, and I really like it, enjoy it. After all this, you just mask it and try to clean whatever parts were not done correctly, or you just use a little tiny tip brush to finish the sides that you didn't do it with the airbrush, because when you mask it's not perfect. That's how it looks, the final look of the belt buckle. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I really hope I can do more of these videos. Give it a like, share, guys. Please have a good one, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Let me know what you guys think of it. Take care. Peace.